Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can get an aesthetic blur for your background only with PicsArt application. First, you just need to swipe your screen into the app library, and then you just need to open the PicsArt. Open the PicsArt and wait until the application is perfectly open. Whenever the application is open, you just need to go click this plus button under the down side here, and then you just need to go click the picture that you want to edit. Now I already got this picture, and I would like to make the background for this picture is going blurry. So the thing that you have to do is just go find the effects of the blur. Now we just need to go pick this blur one, and then you just need to pick the type of blur that you want to get. Or you can get the radial blur, so you will got this type of blurry. And then whenever you're already done with the blur choosing or pick, you just need to adjusting the intensity of the blur. Let's do it this one. And the next thing you need to do is just take a look at the top side. That will be like this button. You just need to go tap into it, and now you just need to type into the person, and then the application will like picking the person itself. Now you'll see that the background is just stay clear while the person is blurred, but this is what I want. This is not what I want. I will let to make for it in first, because I will let you make the background is blurred and stay on make the object is stay clear. So how to do that? You just need to go tap into this invert, and you'll see the background is going blurry while the object is stay clear. Whenever you're done, go click this checklist button and just download or apply it first, and then you just download this picture that you just added. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. Let's meet again into other tutorial.